Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikaMaminzi siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
Siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi adlala idiski akhulele ediskini asiyamasoka analyst as-analyze ngathi sikumabona kude lowe national television sila ku-podcast yethu siringa ngediski ngikhuluma nomfowethu lana uzonitshela ukuthi ubani awubatshela ukuthi ubani
awuthana labafethu athasephiere istress asikho siye mkhulu
ya sikhuluma ngale game eAfcon ijeni nje bafana ehambile kuAfcon ngabe ungaphawula uthini ngebafana bese soyogcina ngokusitshela ukuthi yini into oyibone icindezela ibafana
hayi mesine ngakhala ngento eyi-1 before ngikhala into engayibeka ukuthi nje from la suka khona uBra Hugo asibekile endaweni yonke into right into engakhala ngayo okay asikhulume ngegame yokuqala it was mali ne siperforme grand namachita standard but into angikhenye ngayo one iselection yakhe kakhulu uMobias khona ama-player bona ukuthi leyo wamshiya bench ekubeni esibuya nabo kuyamagame okuqala lawo before ama-friendly game nani lakho abomobani mfune Paris Mrem umshiya phansi kanjani athi yabo siya phambili abonkotha kanje umbuli umshiya ngaphandle le game abo Cameroon ufuna umfaka sesi
mhlambe ngabe khona ama player nje masingaphawula ngombuli mhlambe ukuthi umbuli umbone ukuthi sometimes unobuslow kanti lawa amadoda wase-Africa siwabonile agijima ngaba umzwela ucoacha mayelana nombuli kuleyo ndawo
no yena ngamzwela but ngeke ufaka ama-defense ayi-7 ngeke udefende abantu abayi-7 egame iCameroon la 16 ngeke udefende nga-7 players lapho yasikhawathi baze kithi yaba-invite
masibuyela lapha egcineni kwethu la siphume kula 16 angithi
yebo malume
kube sile ku quarter final ngendlela owabone ngayo lama game wonke la wadlaliwe masuka ku quarter final siya ku semi final siya ku final ngabe bafana uyibone njenge team ebengalunga bengakhona ukuperform ibambelele iziyofika ku final.
Hayi no bongeka khona because yena akana 11 straight yabona 11 straight akanayo uyakala yena ukuthi okay iCameroon ba strong ubheka umzimba thina sinani ngoba yabona bo shot yabo police laba fune ngabona abantu abazo dodge laba ama giant singena kube ne out so wena ungafuna isidlala ibhola leli ukuthi assist nalaba namhlanje iba ne11 what sakuthi mesibukufelo or sibunguthi akekho egame don't umuntu ofana nayo ufaka yena uthi please ngeke ngifaka ama defender ayi7 uthi uzofaka in foot manje bese simake the whole game.
Hayi masingabe simzwileke nani balaleli lapha emakhaya uChina intakhala ngayo iconsistency yecoach ukuthi coach yethu ayikho consistent and ine favoritism khona ama player obonayo ukuthi halo noma ungambeka ebenchini kodwa abadlale kwaze kwayovalwa sinje masithanda siringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi ungathini mawuvalelisa abamameli bethu
bamele ngithi kini kule World Cup isohamba ngale ndlela lesihamba ngayo ku-AFCON angesiye ndawo kodwa umalume ngazama ukubuyisa abo lodge nama player lawo the usual ones abasise kuze siqualify la sikhona namhlanje ayuse le yagenge leya soyaphambili kahle sibonga.
God bless and protect. Sirena ngediski samahamsha wasekazi Afrostani diski ase ama soccer analyst sihlala sisho njalo le ndaba namhlanje sikhuluma nokhila Mhlongo kweze Real Rovers awu awukhulume nabo abalaleli bethu emakhaya ubatshele nje ukuthi ubani wena ediskini udlale kuphi imiphi leyo mnyaka leyo lana sikhuluma ngelegend namhlanje ukhila Mhlongo.
Yes, mina ngukhila Mhlongo bengidlalela Shoko United Terrace besidlala nabo Real Rovers ngoba 90s nabo Real Stars ngoba 90s bawupromote Real Rovers ngo-1991 bekuyimeke promote Real Stars sayishaya eNkonko Stadium sayishaya 2-1 then kwapromote Rovers ngobeni Pipirast
and beniseligini yase Pipirast ngaleso sikhathi yaleya area
second division
and benumo number bani nina eligini
eligini number 6 sesiyadlala lutho thina sesidlala just but Real Rovers Real Stars he's always been that he promoted you that day. Started the very same day. It was Sunday.
Hayi ngiyajabula siyakhumbula kakhulu iReal Rovers ishayile Kaizer Chiefs yashaya neOrlando Pirates amahlamba amakhulu wasemsawawa ayayazi iReal Rovers kunama.
All right la bayashaya vele kanjani babitwa the Thiba yawumese ngobeni
bathi Thiba lapha ke manje endabeni yeAfcon ngabe indaba yeAfcon ibafana uyibone kanjani nje generally ijene sihambile size sifike la sidlwe khona ngabe yini mhlambe into esiqindezele ezibafana ngabachazela abantu emakhaya ukuthi wena ngombono wakho uboneni ukuthi mhlambe isebenze kanjani ibafana kuze kufike egcineni iziphumo.
I would like to thank all the South Africans for supporting Mr. Bruce, considering all the selection that they've done. Guys, let's keep on doing that. The game of Talas was done in Angola. I'm not the Lapos shy Angola. There's a selection very right. And that's how we are done in Egypt. Egypt and Lapos say, like Abona Kona, same man to same man to Sahara, Northern Africa. Ela sema jam kombisa kona okay la kuzongumhiki why because sitoli penalty abangasnika then he demoralize all our players that's why it end up with some stiff 1 year and then sabuya sadlala eZimbabwe our next door our neighboring country here saphinda nayo sayishaya 3-2 and then lapha yilo lasidlaleka sen then la ngathi ninenkinga khona ne hilaka ukuthi ethi basidlala
ne game reserve
bali immediately yo Egypt ne ale ya yesali
le skippile skishwe
Cameroon sidlale kahle nayo but our selection was so defensive kuba defender instead of attack tala attack amasema nje second half masese asliwa and the lack of Mr. Bruce please ngicela uchange lesson but mina I do support you 100% supporting you Mr. Bruce.
Siyabonga mfowethu ukuthi uDavi amsupport uBruce abaningi bakhala ngale yonto okhuluma ngayo but selection yakhe uye waba too defensive.
Yes
iyo into ocabanga ukuthi mhlambe ibulala ibafana le
maybe I tell you to maybe uzo attack second half igame ine ise game ku score se game score ball iba score ball unema points sifuna lokho kuphela. At the end of the day, we are there to win the game. We are not there to go and defend. Well, what are we doing? Senzele umuntu wrong. Senzela umuntu wrong. Multi defense. We are not the soldiers. We are not the soldiers come and defend the country for that. You have to attack so that you can able to win the game. You cannot just defend when you start. But anyway, Mr. Bruce have done a wonderful job. We have qualified World Cup. So many countries they didn't qualify. Some of them are still there, but they didn't qualify.
The way we bone ngakhona ibafana idlale ngakhona la ku Afcon ngabe ikhona ihope ukuthi ku World Cup khona la sizoya khona.
exactly manje singadlala isitayile sethu salapha e-Africa sidlala isitayile semzansi akukho abantu abazikhomba because labantu badlala i-direct ball labaningi sinabo sizodlala nabo le badlala i-direct ball thina la sithi pha basenza kanjalo soba right.
Hayi siyabonga bhuti omkhulu awuphinde ubakhumbuze futhi kodwa ukuthi wena ubani ubani.
Mina ngukhila Mhlongo ngadlala eShoko United Terrace bazadlala nabo Rero Pass Ria Stars bonke nabona Bomchi kuno David Ramatsebe Gerard Phatla he knows me very much well. I used to
Bodlala yiphi position wena?
Ngidlala number 8.
Okay.
Yes.
Bonshaya ipali.
Yeah, bengishaya bazofuna abantu bazokutshela. NeBenning Hill ishayishawela Benning ngadlalela. Angipika lapho uBenning ishawela.
Hayi asibonge kakhulu. Uyayazi iTimangela yaseshawela.
Timangela yes. Yebo yirna. Timangela lapha la.
Hayi sibonga kakhulu bhuti omkhulu uxoxa nawe kule program yethu. Siringa ngediski.
Exactly.
Sinje masithanda.
No, thank you.
Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. The dignity.
Yala sipe, ki mazel tov ka mabekir. Rebeti ena ki omnivore, ki tipa kerote mo pifing. Ki tlisa letsatsi le fifi, camera tsena ki di utswa sini. Ha ke fetsa ki iketsa steering le Johnny wa tseba nna a ki wiki. Hey, Kenya di mask cause vela I'm sick. Hey, ndwane ya good. Yeah, ki fetsa corona wena speed utshware ke black label. Yeah, rebeti kosi ndwane e matla batla hona ba re ba tshwasa le satana hona wa chance nkamfata daya haebe abatla. Foot tag, like mine, like you who pad, oh God, what's up, zip, who ain't no old, sit back, gaming on the chile, the hammer, dance the shwille, red like a channel, the zip. Yeah, foot tag.
You are speaking to Uthembekile Nhlapo. Ngihlala la iZola. I'm situated at Zola North. I am the director, co-founding director Mzansi Skills Development. We were established in 2017 and we are still going as thus far. So what is happening today is we've got our development squads, the kids. We have under 9, under 11, under 13. We've also got under 15, our open team. We don't have currently right now our open Yama girls, the girls team. However, what we are doing is we are preparing for trials. The season has just opened at this point. So since it says Vulile, we're prepping the kids for tournaments, and also there's a bit of scouting also happening around. Okay, so if you would like to join the trials, what you can do is you can send us an email at Mzansi Skills Development Academy, or you can call us on 082-997-0713. We also have social media pages which are active. We've got Facebook, which is our pages under Mzansi Skills Development Academy. Or you can hit us up on Instagram on hashtag Mzansi Skills Development Academy. And we will be happy to have you join us.
So far, as Komuti Makeli Chuka, the Tikisela, Lili Suba, La Luta, or Lunka, Cobra, ki hit more ties at Inoa, Kitijokema India Mahua, La Udwa, Gabusa Tata Bataba, Kitla Lulina, Levaka Kidinaka, Leba, Profit.
Breaking. Senegal win the AFCON, beating Morocco 1-0 in the final. Congratulations to the Lions of Teranga. African Cup of Nations Awards, Best Player, Sadio Mane. Best Keeper, Yassine Bounou. Top scorer, Brahim Diaz, 5 goals. Fair play, Morocco. Official. Orlando Pirates striker Mabasa joins Stellenbosch FC on loan for the rest of the season. PSL transfers. Official. Mark Guehi joins Man City from Crystal Palace on contract until June 2031. Full-time Sundowns 2, Orbit College 0. FIFA rankings Morocco move up to 8th in the world after the AFCON and remain number 1 in Africa. Senegal now 12th in the world and number 2 in Africa. Bafana number 11 in Africa and 60 worldwide. Updated log. New signing Ugandan forward Joel Madondo joins Richards Bay from Eswatini Club in Singizini Hotspurs. Natal Rich Boys. Transfer news: former Dynamo's captain Emmanuel Jalai will be joining Durban City. The right back was at Dynamos for 6 years. Confirmed Cypriot club AEL Limassol have confirmed the signing of Thapelo Masiko on loan from Mamelodi Sundowns. In Tanzania, Simba SC have announced the signing of former Stellenbosch FC defender Ismail Toure on a 3-year contract. Deal done. Orlando Pirates striker Saifiso will spend the rest of the season with Magesi Football Club on loan. Breaking news. Stellenbosch Football Club has announced the signings of Kodasang, Mabasa, and Labusa on short-term deals. Unveiled. SA Youth International Subawi Magidigidi in the colors of his new team, K. Beerschot VA. He joins on a 3.5-year deal. Transfer update. Nkosana Mbutu has joined NFD club Leicesterford City on loan from Kaizer Chiefs. PSL transfers. Breaking news: Kaizer Chiefs have signed Manana on loan from Cape Town City FC. New signing: Sikakani joins Richards Bay Football Club on a free transfer. Natal Rich Boy Z. Full-time Sekukuni 0, Stellenbosch 1. Full-time Chiefs 1, Arrows 0.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostani diski adlalile diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya ibungile kijane laba